Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and a very warm welcome to another exciting video of Asian flavors. Today I am making a macaroni party platter. It is an ideal platter for kids party and in your get-togethers as well. It is very easy to make and everyone has freedom to take chicken or vegetable or pasta as much quantity as they need. It looks beautiful and it tastes beautiful. So let's check out the video and stay with me till the end of the video. But first I would like you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. So viewers, for ingredients, first of all here I have taken it is chicken boneless and it is 500 grams, half kg, and I have cut it into small bite-sized pieces. With that I have taken 1 cup of tomato puree, 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can adjust your spice level. Here I have boiled the macaroni. It was 400 grams. You can choose whatever shape your kids like. In vegetables, I have taken 1 cup of boiled corns, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of potatoes, these are also boiled and diced, 1 cup of capsicum. You can add any vegetable in that, like you can add mushrooms or boiled peas in that, there is no restriction. I will add butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 I'll add with pasta and 1 tablespoon I'll add with the vegetable. This is 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And some fresh leaves of coriander. It is about, I think, 1 or 2 tablespoons. First we will cook the chicken. Add 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the chicken. And with that add ginger garlic paste as well. Cook it well until it changes its color and the ginger garlic paste cooks well with all the chicken. Now you can see it is completely done. All the water is evaporated. Now add all the dry ingredients in it. Mix it well. Give it a good stir. Now I will add tomato puree. Mix it well. Now cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on very low heat. Now I have added 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add all the vegetables. The butter will give a very good taste to the vegetables. We will stir fry all the vegetables. You can see how beautiful it looks. Give it only 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Now add half of the quantity of chicken powder and half of the quantity of black pepper. This half teaspoon of chicken powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. No need to add salt because the chicken powder is already very salty. If you feels like, you can add, definitely. Now keep it aside. Shift it to the serving dish. Make a loop of vegetables like this. I'm making space for the macaroni. I will put macaroni in the middle of the dish. Now in the same pan, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil and the remaining butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add the macaroni and give it a very good stir. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. We just have to quickly fry it, just few minutes. It smells awesome. Now add fresh coriander leaves. You can add parsley as well. Now add the macaroni in the middle. How tempting and beautiful it looks. Now let's check out the chicken with the sauce. This is the right consistency. We don't have to dry all the sauce. Now let's add the chicken with the creamy and super delicious sauce. Wow. So viewers, here our macaroni party platter is perfectly ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. Kids will definitely enjoy it. Do make it at your home and treat your kids with that. So that's all for now. Let's meet up in new exciting video. Bye bye.